Sophia! Sophia, they will bite you, no? Put it down. Auntie will angry, oy. Put it. Tingnan mo yung anak ko, guys. Okay. Hoy, keep it there. The mother is gonna... Put it down. Put it down. Sophia Joy. Kahit ano natin, they're angry, the mother. Uy, they will bite you. No ha, Sophia. Sophia! Ito tagang Pilipino, half ni Pilo. Uy, no, baby will ka. Sophia, enough. Tingnan mo, saan yun ito yung naglalagay. Uy, the auntie will put it lang. Sophia Joy. Uy, gara, ginawa naman ng... Jam, let's go. Hello mga my loves, welcome to my channel. Guys, nag-grocery kami guys. Pakita ko anong binili ko. This one is here. Oyster soy sauce. Yan. Tapos, spaghetti, noodles. Tapos yung, dito wala kasing Zone Rocks guys, kaya ito ang the same like as Zone Rocks din. Para sa mga white or puti. Yan. Bili ako ng dalawa. Alam mo na, malabandera. Tapos ito ay both also condensed. And then, because Sophia, she like oat milk. Hindi niya she will not mix with the water, only direct eating oat milk. And then vinegar. And then finally here in our department store, we have like this. At least for this one and rice, okay sa akin guys, mabusog na ako ng ganito.
Okay.
And then next one, gatas ni Sophia guys.
Bye.
Wala talaga tagang.
Bye.
Always milk is life for Sophia Joy. Vegetable. And then I bought also eggplant because I'm planning to tortang talong or ensalada. Tapos tomato. Kasi dito sa Nepal always doing chutney. I think I already previous in my vlog before. Chutney with chili and coriander leaves. That is for them. 2 kilo of tomato. And then we bought also orange. And ginger. And patatas, potato. Nakalimutan ko, naglagay ako ng dito. I think I bought also the grapes because Sophia is taking orange is there. And then mushroom guys, yung paborito ng aking asawa. Mushroom. Ang vegetable dito is very cheaper. Spring onion. Kasi before I already plant but now I do not. Ano tawag dito? 70 rupees like 70 rupees like 30 pesos. Pumpkin guys, kalbasa na mahaba. Hindi ba kalbasa nila? And then I bought also a cabbage. How much is cabbage? 30 rupees, 30 pesos din. Tapos yung junk chichiryo. Ano ba to? Tasty peanut. Tapos I bought my lotion. And then finally I saw the kamote. Before guys, you know what? Well, when I have the kamote here, I plant in the garden, I do this one. One piece, and then side by side I put a toothpick, and then I dip in the water. I think after 2 weeks, Oh, nagka-lips tapos tinanim ko na doon siya. Magpa-boil na naman po guys. Oh, Filipino talaga guys. Kahit saan talaga. Basta may Filipino food. Lalo na ito guys. Oh my God, kapag pagod ako magluto. yung sa Cebuano ba, tapulan. Kung lazy mag-cook. Ito at saka rice, isawsaw ko na lang. Oh, yan na. Busog na ako guys. Pero si Sophia at saka yung asawa ko hindi. Magagalit siya. Pero kapag mapagod ako, wala akong option, I will make them fry egg. Oh, yan, fry egg with rice. Bayo na sa kanila. Hindi ba? Ito lang muna ang aking mga pinabili. Thank you for watching guys. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I love you. Mahal ko kayo. Ha? Sophia also guys, yesterday I will make you, she washed down the plate. Oh, di ba nagmarites na aking anak guys. Nag-wash na siya. Thank you so much. Much love, much love. Cebuana Pinainipal. Bye. Love you. Sophia catching the goat. Show me yan. See guys. Ihawon ko ni datas balay. Piang, hoy, Sophia. Hoy, no, that is not our. Keep it here. I will make it visual. Tingnan mo guys. Sa neighbor namin to, tingnan mo. Ginawang laruan ni Sophia. How you make it dance the goat? Uy, no, Sophia, no. Come here. Si Didi, show to Didi. Show to Didi that one. How to dance, Sophia? The goat dancing. Tingnan nyo guys. Uy, no, that is not, our uncle will get angry. Come here, put it here. Sophia, I said here, that is not our. Keep it here. Oh my God, tingnan mo yung anak ko. Ginawa pati duck. You put it down, then you catch the duck. Put it down daw. Put the one, the goat. Come, you catch the goat. Uy, here only. My God, ang aking anak nag-aano na guys. Here now. Ang ingay, tingnan mo, tinapon. She threw like nothing. Slowly, oh, slowly. Uy, slowly. Duck will bite you, ha? Auntie will angry that one lot. Ano, ito na naman ang pinag-abalahan ni Sophia. Oh. You catch one duck, Sophia.
Small duck. Oh.
Tingnan mo, isang duck na naman pinag